Hi guys, what is rollover in future and option? Rollover means carrying forward the future contract by switching from current month expiry to next month expiry. So this is called as a rollover. For this, you have to close the current month expiry and you'll have to buy new position. Mostly rollover is possible in future because options may or may not be exercised, though it is not that out of question, but still mostly it is possible in future. Okay, now what is the advantage of the basic advantage to gain more profit? Let's take one example. Let's say you have brought Nifty future for let's say March 23. Okay, and expiry is on 23rd March. If you think it will go high in the next month, then you'll close the expiry of this and you'll buy one more position. Okay, which will expire in March. So like this, you can keep on roll over and to make more profit. So this is the simple fund of rollover. Normally this strategy is used to make more money out of it. So if you find this video helpful, please like and please follow for more updates. Thank you so much.